How am I improving my English zero level to fluency? So friends, while learning English at beginning stage, you might feel that I am a zero level in fluency. Then how can I speak English? So guys, you should include some vocabulary which you know that, like month name, days name, numbers and some words. For example, today હું નથી આવવાની, મમ્મીએ લંચ બનાવી દીધું છે અને ટુમોરો હું ડિનર માટે બહાર જવાની છું. Friends, I know that you have heard about this type of knowledge, but this tiny way, once you start, then it's really gonna work it. Day by day, you followed consistency with this practice, gradually improving your thinking process. Because this tiny habit will become familiar with this language, and once you familiar with this language, then your fluency will come automatically.